If your Revolut account has been restricted, you can appeal the decision by following these steps. This guide will help you navigate the process effectively. Step 1. Gather information. Collect all relevant information regarding your account, including your account number, any communication from Revolut about the restriction, and any supporting documents that may help your case. Step 2. Access the help section. Log into your Revolut app and navigate to the help section. Here, you can find resources and FAQs that may provide insight into the reason for your account restriction. Step 3. Contact customer support. Use the in-app chat feature to reach out to Revolut's customer support. Clearly explain your situation, including your account details and the nature of the restriction. Be polite and concise. Step 4. Submit an appeal. If instructed by customer support, follow the guidance to submit a formal appeal. This may involve filling out a form or providing additional documentation to support your case. Step 5. Follow up. After submitting your appeal, keep track of any communication from Revolut. If you do not receive a response within the specified timeframe, consider following up to check on the status of your appeal. By following these steps, you can effectively appeal an account restriction on Revolut. Good luck!